Hey everybody, welcome to the English Path Store podcast. In today's episode, we're going to talk about something very simple but very important for learning English: daily routines. Daily routines are the things we do every day. Everyone has a routine, even if it is a little different from person to person. Talking about daily routines is one of the best ways to start speaking English because it uses simple vocabulary and very common verbs. For example, most people start their day by waking up in the morning. Some people wake up early, around 6 or 7 in the morning, while others prefer to wake up a little later. After waking up, people usually brush their teeth, wash their face, and sometimes take a shower. Breakfast is also part of many people's morning routine. In many countries, people like to drink coffee or tea in the morning. Some people eat eggs, bread, fruit, or cereal. A simple sentence someone might say in English is, "I drink coffee and eat toast in the morning." These types of sentences are very common and very useful for beginners learning English. After breakfast, many people start preparing for work or school. They get dressed, pack their bags, and leave their homes. Transportation is also an important part of daily life. Some people drive a car to work, others take a bus or train, and some people simply walk. For example, someone might say, "I take the bus to work," or "I drive to my office." These are simple sentences, but they are used in everyday conversations all over the world. During the day, most adults are working, while many younger people are studying. Work can be very different depending on the person. Some people work in offices using computers. Others work in stores, restaurants, hospitals, or construction sites. There are also many people today who work from home using the internet. Students usually spend their day attending classes, studying, reading, and doing homework. In the middle of the day, people usually take a break for lunch. Lunch often happens around 12 or 1 in the afternoon. Some people bring food from home, while others prefer eating in restaurants or cafeterias. After lunch, people continue working or studying for several more hours. Many workdays end around 5 or 6 in the evening. This is when people start their evening routine. Evenings are usually a time for relaxing. After a long day, many people want to rest and do something they enjoy. Some people like watching television or movies. Others like listening to music, playing video games, reading books, or spending time with family and friends. Exercise is also a common evening activity. Many people go to the gym, go for a walk, or play sports after work. Staying active is important for both physical and mental health. Dinner is another important moment of the day. Some families cook and eat together at home, while others prefer ordering food or going to restaurants. Dinner times can vary depending on the culture. In some countries, people eat dinner early, around 6 in the evening, while in other places, people eat much later. After dinner, people usually start preparing for the night. Many people like to relax by watching a little television, using their phones, or reading a book before sleeping. Eventually, everyone needs to sleep to rest their body and mind. Sleep is very important for health, but it is also important for learning. Studies show that when you sleep well, your brain organizes and stores information better. That means if you study English during the day, sleeping well can actually help your brain remember the words and ideas you learned. One of the best ways to practice English is simply talking about your daily life. You can describe your routine in simple sentences. For example, you might say, "I wake up at 7 in the morning. I drink coffee and eat breakfast. I go to work at 8. In the evening, I watch videos and study English." These types of sentences help you practice vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation at the same time. The more you talk about your daily routine, the more comfortable you will feel using English. Learning a language doesn't always require complicated topics. Sometimes the best way to learn is simply talking about normal life. Everyday activities like waking up, eating, working, relaxing, and sleeping can become powerful tools for improving your English little by little. And the most important thing to remember is consistency. Practicing a little bit every day is much more effective than studying for many hours only once in a while. Even 10 or 15 minutes of listening or speaking practice each day can make a big difference over time. English learning is a journey, and every small step counts. Thanks for listening to the English Path Store podcast, and I'll see you in the next episode.